Okay, I'm going to be pruning all the suckers off of the tomato plants so it grows up and not bushy and they fall over. The suckers are the main stem here. You have a leaf here. The suckers are right in the middle. So what you want to do is you just want to go prune off. You could prune off the bottom branches so the airflow. And then here you have the main stem, a leaf, and then this is the sucker right here. You just want to cut that off. I'll cut this one off back here. And then here's main stem. You want to make sure you don't ever cut the main stem, so you want to follow it up. And then here's a leaf, and then the sucker's right there. And you follow it up. And that's it right now. Up here, there's another sucker right there. But that's it, and then this is just extra. That way the airflow and you'll start getting the fruit you see is up here. So that's how you trim a tomato to keep it growing straight up and less heavy branches to fall.